It's dinner time, the food is flying, and you've just shouted. Your heart sinks. I've ruined. Well, you haven't. You haven't broken your child, and you can take just 10 minutes to rebuild trust and step back into leadership and that relationship with your child. I'm Camilla McGill, parenting coach and mum of 4 grown-up kids. I help you raise kids with love and boundaries without shouting, threat, or guilt. Here's the truth. Sitting in guilt helps no one. So let me show you the reset, the exact words to use, and how to hold on to your boundary without losing it. Minute 1 starts now, and it begins with you, not your child. Regulate first. The fastest repair doesn't start with words. It starts with us calming our body. Step back for 60 seconds. Plant your feet. Breathe slowly. 4 in, 6 out. And maybe quietly name it. I'm really wound up, but I'm settling. Your calm is the message that their brain needs the most. If we walk back in still fuming, they mirror it. Walk back in steady, and their guard comes down. Now, you're calm. Let's move on to the exact words that reconnect without caving in on our limits. So section 2, repair script. The 20-second repair that restores connection and leaves our authority intact. Get low, soft eyes, steady voice. I'm sorry I shouted. We don't say but you, we just own it. We can add the boundary clearly. Food stays on the table. Shoes go on before we leave the house. Let's put this right together. We can invite that repair. So here's an example. I'm sorry I shouted. Food stays in the bowl. It's not for throwing. Here's a cloth. I'll stay with you while you clean it up. If we over-explain, they switch off. If we ignore it, they think it's acceptable. Repair plus amends teaches them how to take responsibility. If you struggle to get your kids to listen without shouting, I've put together a great free cheat sheet with my great method. Link is in the description below. Grab it. So, now that you've repaired with words, next we're going to swap punishment for amends so that this lesson sticks. Consequences don't mean punishment. They're making amends. Punishment might buy us short-term obedience. Amends bring long-term respect. So making amends is simple. Fix what you broke, restore what was impacted, and then reconnect. So with these shoes, for example, we lost time. So you'll have to carry them to the car and put them on there. Food, example, food stays on the table, grab a cloth, let's clear up this mess together. Look, I've been there. Once after food was thrown, I shouted, I pushed my son onto the sofa and, was really rough, but I stopped, I owned it, I apologized, and actually he helped to clear it up. That moment build trust, not shame, because punishment erodes trust. Amends grow self-respect and reduce repeat battles. Now that your repair's done, let's put into place a simple routine so that you don't spiral into shouting next time. So 4, prevention routine. A 60-second prevention reset keeps us calm and the boundaries firm. Preload the environment. Shoes by the door, bag packed, timer set, sitting with them when they eat. Offer 2 choices inside of the boundary. Red shoes or blue shoes. Shoes on now or shoes in the car. A visual timer and 1 calm prompt. When the sound runs out, the shoes go on. Direct eye contact. A clear instruction. Script the non-negotiable. We leave at 8:05. Shoes on your feet or on your hands, like as a joke. This saves time, our voice, and our relationship. Look, you didn't ruin your child. You shouted, you're human, and you can repair. That's good leadership. Here's the pattern. Regulate, say a clean sorry, hold the boundary, invite amends, and prevent with a simple reset. And remember, if shouting is your struggle, my free guide, giving you the great method to get your kids to listen, is waiting for you in the description below. You've got this. Your next move writes the story.